Struggling to replace your Kohler toilet seat? The secret is the Anchor Kit 80 for $1,999. And today, I'll show you step by step how to remove the old anchors and install the new ones, fast and easy. Tools and materials needed: Anchor Kit 80 for $1,999. Kohler flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, utility knife optional, hacksaw or rotary tool for cutting old bolts, drill plus spits for stubborn anchors, adjustable wrench or channel locks. Step 1. Remove old anchors. First, the tricky part, removing the old anchors. Since they're hidden inside the porcelain, you can't just unscrew them. Use a hacksaw, rotary tool, or drill to cut off the old bolts, then carefully tap the anchor sleeve down inside the hole. Step 2. Install new Anchor Kit. Now grab your Anchor Kit 80 for $1,999. Slide the washer and lock washer onto the bolt, attach it to the anchor sleeve, and push it down into the mounting hole using the install tool. Tighten it up. The anchor will expand and lock securely inside the toilet. Step 3. Reattach the seat. Once both anchors are locked, align your toilet seat, drop in the screws, and tighten everything. Snap on the caps, and just like that, you've got a rock-solid toilet seat again. See? No plumber needed, no headaches. That's how you remove and install the Kohler Anchor Kit 80 for $1,999 in minutes. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more real-world DIY fixes, and drop a comment if you've tried this kit. Thanks for watching and happy plumbing!